showing you how to make a really simple Black Forest inspired thick shake. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is the Happy Way Triple Choc Fudge vegan protein powder. I've got some Happy Way cacao powder. I've frozen some coconut milk overnight in ice cube trays to help make the mixture a bit more thicker. I've got some coconut yogurt, some coconut milk, frozen cherries and some chia seeds for extra fibre. So all I'm going to do is simply add everything into the blender, blend until nice and smooth and creamy, and then I'm going to serve it with some vegan whipped cream.